Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw KuCoin to your bank. First, you'll need to convert your cryptocurrency into a supported fiat currency within KuCoin. This usually involves selling your crypto on their P2P marketplace or through a third-party service integrated with KuCoin. Once your funds are in fiat, you can proceed with the withdrawal process to your linked bank account. We'll cover each step in detail to ensure a smooth transaction. To convert your crypto to fiat, navigate to KuCoin's P2P trading section. Here, you can sell your digital assets directly to other users for fiat currencies like EUR or BRL. Make sure your P2P account is fully verified to avoid any delays. Choose a buyer whose payment method aligns with your bank, and always confirm the transaction details before releasing your crypto. This step is crucial for a successful withdrawal. Once your funds are in fiat currency, you can initiate the bank transfer. Go to your main asset account and select the withdrawal option for your fiat balance. You'll need to have your bank account details securely linked to your KuCoin profile. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it meets any minimum or maximum limits. Double-check all the information before confirming to prevent any errors or delays in receiving your funds. When withdrawing, always be mindful of any associated fees and the estimated processing times, which can vary. For example, SEPA transfers for EUR typically have a flat fee of €1. It's also vital to ensure your bank account details are absolutely correct to avoid any failed transactions or complications. For a smooth experience, consider withdrawing during business hours. And hey, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're seriously comfortable and come with a lifetime warranty, so you can't go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.